Valentine's is around the corner. Do you want to gift your loved one a love-filled personalized gift? Making a personalized engraved jewelry for Valentine's Day is a great way to show your loved one how much you care. First, you will need to decide what you would like to have engraved on the pendant. It could be a special message, a meaningful quote, or a memorable date. Once you have decided on the engraving, you will need to find us on Instagram or Facebook with the name Hala Grafix. After selecting the jewelry, you will need to provide Hala Grafix with the engraving you would like to have done through email info@halagrafix.com or WhatsApp +9715533733012. We will then use a laser engraving machine to etch the engraving into the pendant. Finally, it will be wrapped up and delivered to you for you to give it to your loved one on Valentine's Day. Contact information and links in the description. Like, share and subscribe for lovely gift ideas and printing services. We are Hala Grafix, UAE.